Mr. Kowalski owns a small auto shop on Maple Road. It is a busy shop. It fixes cars, sells parts, and changes oil. Every Thursday, a thin man with glasses comes to the shop. His name is Leo. He has brown hair and nervous hands. Mr. Kowalski watches Leo. Leo looks at car tools. Then Leo takes a small bottle of oil. He puts it in his jacket pocket. He walks to the door. "Hey," Mr. Kowalski says, "you must pay for that oil." Leo looks at his shoes. He does not speak. He does not have money. "This is not right," says Mr. Kowalski. "This is the 4th time. Do not come to my shop again." Leo walks away with the oil. Mr. Kowalski is angry. He tells his new worker Maria about Leo. Maria's young. She fixes cars very well. She learned from her father. Maria's kind and watches people carefully. "Maybe he needs the oil for something important," Maria says to Mr. Kowalski. "Let me find out why." The next Thursday, Leo comes again. He takes a bottle of oil again. Mr. Kowalski wants to call the police. "Please wait," Maria says to her boss. "Let me follow him first." Leo leaves with the oil. Maria follows him. She is quiet and careful. Leo does not see her. Leo walks for 20 minutes. He goes to an old parking lot behind the factory. In the lot, there is an old yellow school bus. The bus has no wheels. Someone lives in it. Maria watches from behind a car. Leo goes to the bus. He knocks on the door. A woman opens the door. This is Mrs. Parker. She is old with white hair. She was a bus driver for many years. Now, she has no job. She lives in the bus with her grandson, Timo. Timo is 10 years old and goes to school. Leo gives the oil bottle to Mrs. Parker. She smiles and thanks him. Maria sees that the bus has a small generator. It needs oil to work. The generator gives electricity for light and heat. Without it, the bus is dark and cold. Maria sees something else too. Leo takes out school books from his backpack. He gives them to Timo. Leo's with Timo and helps him with math homework. Maria understands now. Leo steals oil for the generator so Timo can have light to read and do homework. Leo also helps Timo with school. The next day, Maria puts oil, some tools, and a warm blanket in the box. She also adds cookies and juice for Timo. She goes to the bus in the parking lot. She knocks on the door. Mrs. Parker opens the door. She is surprised to see Maria. "I work at the auto shop," Maria says. "I knew about Leo and the oil." Leo comes to the door. He looks worried. "I'm not here to make trouble," Maria says. She gives the box to Mrs. Parker. "This is for you and Timo." Mrs. Parker and Timo look at the oil, tools, and food. They are happy and surprised. "Thank you," Leo says. He explains, Mrs. Parker lost her job when the school closed. She and Timo have nowhere else to go. The generator keeps them warm. "Come to our shop tomorrow," Maria says. "I want to help. I think Mr. Kowalski will help too when he understands." Leo nods. Mrs. Parker has tears in her eyes. From that day, Mr. Kowalski gives Leo old parts and oil that the shop cannot sell. Maria teaches Mrs. Parker how to fix the generator properly. She also shows Timo how cars work. Mr. Kowalski learns that Mrs. Parker was a good bus driver and mechanic. He offers her a job at the shop. She helps with simple jobs and answers the phone. Leo starts to work at the auto shop on weekends. He cleans the shop and learns about cars. During the week, he still helps Timo with homework. With help from Mr. Kowalski and Maria, Mrs. Parker saves money. After 6 months, she rents a small apartment for her and Timo. Sometimes, things are not what they seem. Sometimes, a thief is not just a thief. Sometimes, people do wrong things for right reasons. Mr. Kowalski learns this important lesson. He is glad Maria followed Leo that day. He is glad they saw the truth. Now, every month, Mr. Kowalski fixes one car for free for someone who needs help but has no money. He remembers Leo, Mrs. Parker, and Timo. He remembers that kindness is more important than rules. And Maria? She starts a small class at the shop on Saturday mornings. She teaches basic car repair to people who cannot afford mechanics. Timo is her best student.